My name is Mike Boucher. I am a lead hand at Mott Manufacturing. We make laboratory cabinetry, workstations, fume hoods. A fume hood is where students or lab technicians can put their chemicals into the hood, put the door down, and it safely releases the chemicals. We supply products to Dow Chemicals, Harvard University, Stanford University, University of Toronto. The thing that most surprised me when I started here was everything is done here. It goes from sales to design to manufacturing of the parts to finishing the product, all in this facility. 5 years ago, I worked on the floor as a normal worker. I became backup lead hands of all the assembly departments, and now I'm the lead hand of the fume hood department. Research the company that you're applying for. Know what they do. There's so many different positions in our company that if you can come in and say, I'd like to be a welder or a painter or an assembler, it helps fit you into that company, and your success rate for working with that company is so much better.